The best freestanding punching bags for boxing practice. Are you planning to improve your boxing skills? To simplify things, we have included some of the best freestanding punching bags in this video so that you can select one as per your need. These bags are great for fitness trainers, boxers, and MMA fighters. They offer a wide range of benefits like developing reflexes and enhancing muscle strength, and are even known to help improve hand-eye coordination. The best part? They are ideal for use in the gym, sports complex, or even at home. So go through the list to find out the one that matches your requirement the most. Number 1. Best easy to install. Dripex freestanding punching bag. With a height of 175 centimeters and a weight ranging between 137 and 182 pounds, the freestanding punching bag from Dripex can withstand hard kicks and punches without toppling over. The bag features a stainless steel tube covered with fabric buffers, EAP foam, and 2 mm thick pool leather. The round base of the punching bag includes 12 suction cups that help keep the bag in place when you're throwing those heavy punches. For additional stability, you can fill the base with either sand or water. This freestanding heavy punching bag also includes dual PCV shock absorbers and 4 springs that help reduce noise and vibrations during workouts. Made with durable materials, adjustable and removable base, easy to install, multi-layer construction, tear resistant, suitable for both home and gym floors, 360 degrees shock absorption. Number 2. Accodone freestanding punching bag. Accodone's freestanding punching bag for adults features a stainless steel pipe covered in a 2 mm pool leather striking surface, fabric buffers, and highly flexible EAP foam. The bag has a wide base with 12 suction cups attached to it for stability and includes dual PVC shock absorbers and 3 thick springs to minimize vibration and noise. This freestanding punching bag is suitable on even floors and is designed for all ages. Durable and sturdy, easy to assemble, highly portable, flexible rebound, weighs between 137 to 182 pounds, 360 degree shock absorption, multi-layer construction. Knock out your frustrations with Protocol's heavy-duty all-in-one boxing set for women and get great exercise in the bargain. The set comes with an ultra-durable foam punching ball that mounts on an adjustable height stand and 2 padded boxing gloves with easy-to-use closures. Number 3. Best 360 degree shock absorption. Sport Pro freestanding punching bag. The punching bag from Sport Pro stands 177 centimeters tall and weighs between 152 and 203 pounds. The bag features a stainless steel stand enclosed in layers of 2 mm thick pool leather cover, EAP foam, and a strike buffer. It also comes with a 5 mm thick ABS base, which you can fill with sand or water for stability on flat surfaces. At the bottom of the base are 12 strong suction cups that provide maximum stability. The bag further features dual TPU dispersers and 4 thick springs, which reduce noise and shock on contact. Easy to set up, durable and sturdy, suitable for beginners of all ages, easy to move around, 360 degree shock absorption, flexible rebound, designed with high-strength stainless steel tube stand encased with 4 layers construction, 2 mm thickened pool leather striking surface, high-density foam, eco-friendly fabric buffer. Faster rebound to withstand and the long-term onslaught of kicks and punches. Number 4. Best for stability. Gikpal freestanding punching bag. Gikpal offers a 175 centimeters tall freestanding punching bag that is ideal for punching and kicking. The bag's striking surface is covered with thick tear-resistant pool leather. On the inside, you'll find layers of high-density EAP foam and fabric buffers that protect your hands from injury. The base of the bag has an inlet for filling sand or water, and when filled, it adds stability to handle your attacks. Additionally, the bag comes with a shock absorption system that minimizes noise and vibrations when you work out. Suitable on any even floor. Premium quality tear-resistant materials, 12 suction cups for extra stability, and 360 degree shock absorption. Doesn't take up much space. Ideal for both children and adults. Easy to assemble. Base and bag ship separately due to large size, so you will receive 2 parcels, one may be delivered later. Number 5. Best for reducing vibration, muscle splitter freestanding punching bag. Muscle Splitter's 177 centimeters tall freestanding punching bag, featuring a stainless steel tube covered in layers of eco-friendly fabric buffer, thick foam, and 2mm pool leather, can withstand all your kicks, punches, and attacks. It features a 5mm thick round base with a sand or water inlet and suction cups beneath for stability. Dual TPU dispersers and 5 springs to reduce noise and vibrations. Provides flexible recoil. Easy to assemble. Handles a beating while standing upright. Saves room space. Suction cups keep the bag in place. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, does check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our Cole products, as it will make your life much easier.